Alright, in this video, I'm gonna show you guys my new gear, which I'm trying to upgrade my studio into this new lights. So right now, I'm using a ring light. Which one? This is the light that I'm using every time I film a video or do my recording. I just put my camera on there, and that's the only lights that I have. And as you see, right now, it's not really a good light for my studio. So I bought a new light to upgrade my studio. And we're going to unbox this light and show you guys how it looks like and the differences between just using the ring light into this softbox light. Alright, so without any further ado, let's unbox it. Alright, so let's unbox this one, and this is a newer parabolic softbox. It's a softbox. So right now, while I'm filming this, I'm using a ring light, and that's all the lights I have inside of my studio. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Alright, another unboxing for new gear. Alright, there you go. Inside the box is this one. So I'm gonna pull this one out. There you go. It says newer. Okay, this box comes with a bag. You see, it's inside the bag, so you can bring it anywhere you want. And the size of this, I think it's 55 centimeter. I don't need a big one. All I need is this because my studio is not that big. All right, so let's open it. All right, and inside this one. Okay, let's see what is this. I think this is the see this one, the cover for the lights. It's a stripe thing. I don't know what they call this, but you got this to cover your lights. Okay, I'm gonna put it down here. And what else is that? And this one, 6. It's a plastic cloth which there is a a velvet tape here. You see, I think this is also one of the cover where you cover your light. And there are two of this, and the other one is this. This one is small one. I think this is inside of the ring light. Maybe this is the size of the ring light, but I don't know. Let's see. All right, and next is some papers, and here is the lights. All right. Okay, no more inside of the bag. Let's put the bag aside, and let's see what's inside of this. So here is the lights. I think here you go. Okay, let's open this. This softbox looks like an umbrella. So if you're thinking about upgrading your gear, your lights, maybe I might suggest for you to get this one of this. It doesn't matter what brand you want to get, but there you go. So there is a cover here. There you go. And then I think this is where you're gonna put the light. I'm gonna take this off. There you go. This is how it looks like. I need to take off this. Right. So if you wanna, take this to wherever you want, you can just fold it and take it like this. And once you open it, it looks like an umbrella. See, it looks like an umbrella. Okay, so open this one like that, and then what you're gonna do is you're going to press into inside of this, like what I'm gonna do. Okay, look at that. Just this, and then on the other side also, just like that. So this is how it looks like. So it looks like an umbrella. What you're gonna do is just to push over here and here so that you can get all of these lights. This is 55 centimeter wide. All right, so once we've done with this, see guys. Okay, once we've done with this, and then we're going to attach this one inside of the softbox. Let's do this.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts.
just like that, guys. And then after this, we're going to stick on this big one. The big one, we can just stick all around of this back, just like that, from here.
Into this place, you wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain.
So now this is how it looks like. Alright, so now after we finish sticking the small white here inside and the big one here, it's just gonna be look like this. And then for the last, after we stick this one into all of the sides, make sure it's very sticky, so it's all good. So next we're going to stick this one into the top of this. Let's do this. Alright, so now we're going to attach this one on top of this, okay?
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Alright, there you go. Alright, so now I'm done setting up with my softbox. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. There you go. I put it on top of my curtain, but I need to change the lights. That light is not included into the box. Okay? And I took the big white cloth. So maybe after I change the light, that's only a temporary light. That's not really the lights. So after I change lights, and I'm gonna order the lights for that softbox. And then I'm going to put it back, the white cloth, the big one, so that it will cover all the lights inside of this softbox umbrella. Alright, if you want to get the same lights for your studio, I will put the link on the description and try for yourself. Thank you so much guys for watching, and hope it helps. For those of you who just got this and don't know how to assemble it, just watch this video and I hope this helps. See you next time. Bye.